Welcome to Naresh IT channel. I'm going to start a new video series called Hacker Programs All in One. The main aim of Hacker Programs All in One is to improve programming skills. Now, this is very much useful for the people, those who want to attend technical interviews, those who want to crack technical problems. So, in this video series, I'll try to tell you the problems and how to solve that problem. Now, it means I try to explain both problems and solutions. Now, let us begin with first problem. Now, this is a simple program. These problems can be solved in different languages, but my language is Python because I'm trying to solve all these problems in Python language. Write a program to print all the numbers from 70 to 80. Now, when you see this problem, you might think that okay, it is very simple, right? So it is just printing numbers from 70 to 80, but there is one twist in this program, that is you should print the numbers from 70 to 80 without using numbers. Okay, you should print the numbers between 70 to 80 without using what? Numbers. And also restrict the length of the program is 100 characters. Now let us see how to solve this problem. So how to solve this problem? In order to solve this problem, we are trying to use one predefined function in Python called ORD, because the program should not use any number, right? So because of that, we take one predefined function called ORD. What ORD function will do is it will try to return a number equivalent of character, okay, which is nothing but every character is having equivalent number. That number you can call it as ASCII or it is called as Unicode. If you want to display this value, you are trying to use a function called ORD. If I am saying ORD of a character A, it will return 65. If I say ORD of small a, it will return what? 97. Now, our problem is to print all the numbers between 70 to what? 80. Then what I need to do is, I should not use a number, right? Then what I am using? I am using a character and I take the equivalent number of that character and I try to print all the numbers between 70 to what? 80. Suppose if it is a capital A is 65 and B is 67, C is 68 and D is 69 and E is what? 70. So I need to start from where? E. If I say ORD of E, then it starts from what? 70. I need to print up to what? 80. Okay. Then let us see how to solve this problem. So I try to write a program. So I am taking one variable called L. There is one variable called L which represent lower bound. L equal to, I am saying ORD of, I just write ORD of, okay. So there is, okay. So I start with E. Now E equivalent of decimal value is 70. Then I take upper value. I am saying ORD of, I take the character as what? Q. So Q is nothing but 81, right? So E is what? 70 and Q is a 81. Then I am using one for loop. For, okay, some I in a, okay, I am using a range. Now range is a function which generate a range of values, or it will return range object which contain range of values, where I'll give the start value as L and where I'll give the stop value as what? U. So where the stop value is not included, okay, stop value is not included and I'm trying to print the value called what? I. Now here I am not using any number, right? But I try to get the number equivalent of value by using a function called what? ORD. But here I am trying to use what? Characters. Okay. Now I just save this program. Okay. Now when I run this program, now you can see all the numbers 69, but I need to start with what? 70. I take this value as what? F. Now when you run this program, you can see all the numbers which are printed from 70 to what? 80. Okay. Now this is a simple problem where you can print the numbers from 70 to 80 without using what? Numbers. It's a simple logic. What you need to think is, okay, how can I get a number? Okay. So there is a possible way of getting a number of a equivalent character by using a function called what? ORD. I hope you understood this problem. For more problems, register Naresh IT channel.